my people, this one shocked me. Oh, because of one particular state for Nigeria, Dubai have sanctioned Nigeria. Nigeria is banned to come Dubai until further notice. My people, all this bad name one they give that country. Now Buhari Kosan, all this name one they bring come, that shameless name one they bring come that country Nigeria. Not be Buhari. This one not be Buhari, because Buhari not say me you go join cultists for Dubai. Buhari not say me you carry cutlass, me you they cut your fellow human be like animal. Buhari not say me you cut your fellow brother hand, cut your fellow brother leg. And our sisters when they do Okpominiki for there. Buhari not say Mona just go give the citizen of the country. Mona go give an RIP, both the man, the wife, and the unborn child when they the woman Bele. Who do us? Who do Nigeria? My people, I will drop the video later, Mona see. And before I drop on, guys, please subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification that will always update. Me, I don't know what they happen for Nigeria. All this about Nigeria in diaspora. Me, I don't know what they happen. Honestly, the things where they do, if they make person they verse. A person go come up for papa and mama land, not be your land. Say you want go look for greener pasture, the next thing you go involve yourself for cultists. If you even become cultists, use and take change society. Not be good name. Must you enter cultists, use cutlass, they cut your human being like who they cut cassava for farm. Nah, because of one particular state of my people. I will tell you later. I not be say this one now all Nigerians now, but the thing now can include all the whole Nigeria for Dubai. Even our doctors for Dubai, the thing affect them. Even the good ones wey be say that they work, the thing affect everybody. The anywhere where they see black now for Dubai, they pursue them like say tomorrow no day. They pursue them. Who will come know how they be Arab? You understand? They be Arab. I can imagine. Gay, you will be gay. You're just citizen of the country. How you go? What say you they think that particular time? When you go just plan with your boyfriend, so go give citizen, they are Arab, they are all citizen, Dubai citizen. You even give the man RIP not rich. You give the wife, you still give your born child when never even come this earth. Nigeria. Okay, as soon as record, they fly every even fellow Nigeria said that they verse. Say no. This will not be Buhari. You guys should leave Buhari alone. This one no be Buhari. Now one particular state. This one will not be said, they'll say, now all Nigeria now. One particular state, my people. One particular state, now you can make them. Just Dubai say they don't want Nigeria again. Until further notice. My people. And not be say they say now the person will do the thing now say this person now you do and come face us. No, the all Nigeria, any black way they just see, they pick them like say tomorrow, not day. Okay, what about our Nigeria citizens when people say they can't go to buy, say they go school for there, they go find their greener person with legitimate. Not be say they go there, say they want to go they suck human being. All the thing that can still affect them. The thing can still affect them. Nigeria for Dubai, they know they sleep again. They don't even get house, no house to stay. No house. Anywhere where they see, so that they park there. They want sweep the whole Nigeria for Dubai. They want sweep, they can't give Buhari. My people now don't see say kidnappers and armed robbers not go finish for that Nigeria. Like all those other way, say that they suck people blood even when they're abroad. If they can't reach Nigeria, how it go be, my people? Mona reason with me, how it go be? Because this thing, any small thing, they say Buhari. Sometimes, maybe we still they sit down check our own self, when be the citizens. And now the thing, they not say that this state, now, anybody will come from that state, we will punish you now. Now, even all states now, including all states, including the ones who be say they will go there for a purpose. That is a good reason. The thing affect all of them. Even our doctor, our Nigerian brother, when we say be doctor for Dubai, the thing affect them. I don't understand my people. Now understand my people. Because the thing, I want drop the video when we say our Nigerian doctor for Dubai. Where if I come there is that boy was speaking out of anger. You guys can see the anger in that guy. I will put the video so that when I listen the way when the guy tell analyze the whole issue, my people. before I come put the cut stone too. Mona see wetin Nigeria use cutlass battle as two to human being like them. Ah, my people, this one not be Buhari fault. This one not be Buhari fault at all. Any small thing they'll say Buhari, Buhari, Buhari. Eh? And if they do the thing, me don't know what they think that particular time. Oh. Whether the thing not be ordinary to them, whether na some evil spirit na enter them. When they say they can't do the thing, finish, the eye will come clear. Eh? I can imagine my brothers, my Nigerian brothers for Dubai. As they come the park una they go Nigeria now, where una want start from? Maybe some wrong because of crime for Nigeria. You can't still reach Dubai. You can't still reach a beautiful land. You not can say no, God forbid, I will become useful in my society. No, you can't say let say you want to continue to be vampire where you stop, my brother. And as soon as they carry on, they go Nigeria. So later, none of us go come out. Nigeria police, now so that they embarrass, now so that they butcher, now so that bra 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 bra. Now Nigeria police want start to embarrass now. Yes, because of one particular state, my brothers and my sisters. If I put this video for Namona, see wetin Nigeria do. Me no even sure say they go fit even carry that kind act for their own country Nigeria when it be say they come carry for Arab lands. One and know say those people no dey joke with anything called abomination. Anything abomination, Arab dey forbid am. Na come go Dubai. Na come say na there no wan carry out. No be Malaysia o. Una don dabaru Malaysia. Una don dabaru Thailand. Now come still locate roots. And any place where be safe they happen now for this world. I'm not sure say they go ask. I'm not sure say they will give Nigeria visa. I'm not sure again say to get visa now for Nigeria say to even travel come abroad. Me I'm not sure say go easy again. Because why? Our Nigeria boys wey be say they be cultists. Now they it's so painful. It's so painful. I will say they know they include it, they know they generalize and say Nigeria. If you know they pay me, I don't go talk about the issue. I be full Nigeria, now make me talk about the issue. Yes, and I have the right to talk about the issue. Not be everything what they give Buhari. Buhari not say may you go Dubai, may you go carry battle as carry cutlass, any sharp object, say you want to use and take okay. Oh, it's so hot. It's so hot. I will say they come over pack them now. Say okay now do I'm gonna come. They not come they use until they hurt the real good Nigeria people where they Dubai. He not go pay me. We are dots of a come out, come speak. And if you see the videos, my people, wanna settle down, take Google, take Granite, wanna take settle down, watch that video clip. Wanna see waiting. Me, I don't know where Nigeria people, some of Nigeria people, I don't know where they get their heart from. Because me not believe in a God, now he creates their hearts. I not believe my people because what is it that they do when that particular state, una days na number, na number. As una say na wan spoil Nigeria, na wan spoil Nigeria, na wan turn Nigeria to waiting. People not go even love to go again. Una not go succeed down. Una not go succeed down at all. My people make I live una may not because the way when the thing they do me my people, if me will get power, I will put end to all these things. Like all those people when get that evil mind, I will change their mind to become good one. Like all those cultists, I will change them to become good people if I get the power. But I not go get the power. But why? Oh God, my people, wanna stop to the breed that bad name called Nigeria. Dubai banned Nigeria till further notice. Until further notice. If you say you want to come to Dubai, say you want to go apply for visa, not just waste your time because they not give you. They not give you. They say until further notice. Una over they kill una fellow Nigeria. You not come rich. Una not come divide. Enter the citizen of the land. If you kill Igbo citizen for Europe, all your life, I'm not sure say you go over see Nigeria again. You go over see your family. Chocolate of Arab. You are on your own, no. If they carry you go back to Nigeria, if you want to go to thief pot or soup, go thief your mama sister or thief your papa brother. Innocent people wey be say that they also their own and let them sleep well. Mona beg because they no say una go Dubai say Mona go dey do nuisance. Anyway, wey be say village people dey follow, make go church, make go seek for deliverance. Libya road dey don block, Morocco road dey don block. Where una wan pass? Where una wan pass? Where? That's why I talk and reach my people. May I drop that our brother, that our doctor, Nigeria brother for Dubai, as the thing affect and make you use the math analyze and so now. And after that one, the cultist people, now go still exercise patience, una play, una see wetin una fellow Nigeria brothers and sisters, including girls. Me, I don't know where this life they go again. Now Nigeria, now they change this world. If this world come to an end today, now Nigeria fault. Guys, see you in my next video. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell so that anytime I upload any amazing video like this, you will be the first to be notified. Trust me guys, more than not they ignore any video because message dey inside. Message dey because the thing how this country dey turn, the way when Nigeria dey turn now, if we know they bring am out, it dey take time before we go dig and come out. E no easy. More than still try, more than dey listen so that una still dey learn, still dey know how to, if una get the intention, una still know the repercussion if una found yourself for that kind of mess, so that una know how to just evacuate from it, my people. I will love to see you all in my next video. Choose.
There are many people walking. Once you are in Nigeria, they will be running from you. Hush Puppy own day, Woodbury own day. There's this some Nigerians they do cultism for Saja. That was still there. Now some girls go kill local, and now wetin dey happen for Nigeria when we say Yoruba people, they say okay, the Fulani people they kill them, so they won't get their own Yoruba nation. Now you guys go kill the local guy by a Cameroonian. They are just arresting everybody, busting for God's sake. What is the problem of you people? This is a high time for every Nigerian, every good Nigerian to be calling out of one another so that they will know that you are not all the same. They will know that we are not all the same. What is the problem of you people? They are arresting every blacks now. Do you want them to send us back home? Now they block Nigeria and other your brothers and sisters that want to come in. They block, and now why don't they block Benin Republic?
How are you doing? This is a video of Nigerians in Dubai doing what Nigerians do mostly. You know, we carry a battle from Nigeria, we'll go abroad, we'll continue the battle. So this seems to be cultists, and I don't know which cult it is. It is not contained in the caption, and they're attacking other fellow Nigerian cultists, maybe another cult group. Okay, and this is the first video. The other video is a video where they have concluded the attack, and there was a murder. At least I saw at least 3 butchered dead bodies, and about 3 to 4 other people with machete cuts. So now I don't know whether these people that did the attack sustained casualties. You know, maybe the people that they were attacking fought back. Okay, I don't know. Then I don't know whether I don't know which group is attacking which group, but somehow it seems that this particular attack coincided with the 58th anniversary of one of the cult groups in Nigeria. There's one of the cult groups that celebrated the anniversary, I think 2 to 3 days ago. So this particular attack seemed to have happened on that day. So I don't know whether that cult group was involved at all, or whether they are the ones doing the attack to commemorate their birthday, you know, or whether they were the ones being attacked. Now the second thing I want to talk about is the fact that first of all, remember that there's another video when there's butcher. So scroll down to the first comment, you will see a link to my Telegram group. Click on it. When you get to the group, you will see the video of the aftermath of the attack. Blood everywhere, blood on the hallways, everywhere, rooms everywhere. It was mad, you know. Dead bodies right and left. Okay, I can't post it on YouTube. And the other thing is that these people did not send the fact that there is a security camera. How do you go for such an operation? And look at how many people that are not covering their face. The first 1, 2 did not cover his face. 3, this one, this is 3 people. 4, 5, you know, 6 people that did not cover their faces. Out of about 15, I counted them, they are around about 15 attackers, and 6 of them did not cover their face. Like, what are you telling me? You understand? You're going for something that involves capital punishment like murder. You know, and you did not even look out for security cameras. Like, seriously? Some of them were smart enough to cover up everything, but then this kind of things, if you guys went together, if they just catch one person that did not cover their face, they will catch everybody else. And murder involves a lot of, there's no country in the world that does not have capital punishment. You know, is either capital punishment or life imprisonment for murder, and you're going for something like that. You did not cover up. Okay, now the last thing is that I don't know what they are fighting for or what they are fighting to. Okay, it's either usually this kind of thing, mostly a woman issue or a drug issue. It's either a woman issue or drug in the sense that some people are fighting to be the ones in control of the drug business in that area. This is not the first time or the first country Nigerians have done this kind of war, you know. Then secondly, you need to know about in this particular Dubai, Nigerians have been fighting at least this is the second or third year this kind of thing is happening. It happened last year during that lockdown. It happened, and a lot of people were killed, or let me say a number of people were killed. It happened. Who remembers during lockdown that Dubai started repatriating people, and not just repatriation, they started denying visas to Nigeria for some time before government was able to sort it out. So now this one again. So I'm gonna stop here. You let me know what you think. We can talk about it. Like I said, if you need the other video, more scary video, you have to get it from my Telegram group. It will be in the first comments if you scroll down. If you're watching from YouTube, or if you're watching from Facebook, check the description section of this video, you will see it. Alright, thank you very much.